This is the most absurd way of testing a knife I've ever seen, using nail pulling effectiveness to test the performance of a contestant's knife. Only a knife that can both pull nails and hammer them in is truly a good knife. This is also the most unique knife making by contestants I've ever witnessed. To cope with the high intensity tests, the knives the contestants are forging are weirder and weirder one after another, and all of this stems from the absurd forging materials prepared by the show organizers. In this competition, the show organizers require the contestants to use the sledgehammer crowbar and fire hook in front of them as materials to forge a functional short blade with prying teeth and a hammerhead. Such complex rules and requirements can be said to have pushed the difficulty to the limit. Yet the 3-hour competition time has not been extended. With the host's command, the competition officially begins. Mark first draws a design sketch. He plans to design the hammerhead on the back of the blade to increase the strength of the blade body. So to prevent insufficient material, Mark chooses the sledgehammer as the forging material. After fully heating it, he directly starts stamping it on the machine. On the other side, John, although he looks like a frail old man, the knife shape he designs is extremely wild. He plans to forge a large battle axe that combines prying and hammering functions. He also chooses the sledgehammer as the forging material. After heating and forging it, he directly uses a power hammer to extend and lengthen it. After some thinking, Garen designs a strange knife with prying teeth at the blade tip and a hammer head on the saddle. After designing the knife shape, he immediately chooses the crowbar for cutting. The crowbar has a regular shape. It only needs to be heated and then vigorously struck against the ground to create a hammer head saddle. The significant amount of time saved can be used to focus on shaping the knife, which can be said to be a very clever decision. Nicholas's idea is exactly the same as Garen's. Not only are the knife shapes they design extremely similar, but even the materials they choose and the forging techniques they use are surprisingly consistent. As time ticks by, the contestants' knives gradually take shape and they start making fine adjustments. Among them, Nicholas is the fastest. He is the first to complete everything and moves on to the final quenching stage. After checking that the temperature is correct, he directly inserts the blade into an oil drum. The final quenching effect is very good, and the hardness is also up to par. Garen follows closely behind and reaches the quenching stage, but he is more cautious. To avoid cracks in the blade blank caused by excessive temperature differences, he first heats a piece of rebar and inserts it into the oil drum. After confirming that the temperature is appropriate, he completes the quenching of the blade blank. As expected, the blade blank is straight and no problems occur. Mark is the third to complete quenching. In the last few minutes, John finally inserts his blade blank into the oil drum, only because the temperature is too high. Sparkles burst out directly, almost setting the venue on fire. The competition time is up. It's time for the judges' comments. So whose knife will come out on top? Let's wait and see.